creating a lengthy, cohesive piece about wood sculpture masterpieces that bring nature indoors allows for an exploration of the beauty and intricacy involved in this art form. Wood sculpture serves not merely as decoration, it embodies a connection to the natural world, transforming spaces into serene environments filled with organic beauty. Imagine a living room adorned with a stunning wood sculpture that captures the essence of a forest, with its intricate details echoing the textures of bark and the fluidity of branches. Such a piece draws the eye and invites contemplation, creating a dialogue between art and nature that resonates within the home. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of wood sculpture masterpieces ideas that bringing nature indoors. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. The allure of wood lies in its versatility and the unique character each piece of timber possesses. Artists often select specific types of wood for their grain, color, and texture, allowing the natural beauty of the material to shine through. A sculptor may choose a rich mahogany, with its deep hues and smooth finish, to create an elegant representation of an animal, or perhaps opt for a rugged oak that showcases the knots and imperfections, reflecting the raw beauty of nature. This choice is not just about aesthetics, it's a celebration of the material itself, honoring the life of the tree from which it came. Each sculpture tells a story, a narrative woven into the fibers of the wood, inviting viewers to reflect on their own experiences with nature. Incorporating wood sculptures into interior design can transform a space, bringing warmth and a connection to the outdoors. A large, abstract sculpture resembling waves or rolling hills can serve as a stunning focal point in an entryway, immediately drawing guests into a world where nature and art coexist harmoniously. The curves and lines of the sculpture mimic the undulating landscape, allowing the viewer to feel a sense of movement and flow that is reminiscent of a natural setting. This dynamic element can invigorate a room, creating an atmosphere that feels alive and inviting. Moreover, wood sculptures can be functional, merging artistry with practicality. Imagine a coffee table that doubles as a work of art, its legs carved to resemble twisting roots of an ancient tree. Such functional sculptures not only serve their purpose, but also spark conversation, making them a centerpiece that enhances the overall aesthetic of the room. This duality of function and art is particularly appealing in modern design, where space is often limited, and each piece must serve multiple roles. The challenge lies in creating a piece that is both beautiful and usable, allowing individuals to appreciate the craftsmanship while enjoying its utility. Artists often draw inspiration from the flora and fauna that surround them, translating these observations into their work. A sculpture depicting a bird in flight captures the grace and freedom of nature, while a piece representing a majestic tree can evoke feelings of stability and grounding. These works can serve as reminders of the beauty of life outside and the importance of preserving these elements in our rapidly urbanizing world. By bringing such pieces into our homes, we not only beautify our spaces, but also create a sanctuary that reflects our values and connections to nature. The textural quality of wood plays a crucial role in its appeal. Sculptors may leave the surface unpolished to showcase the natural grain, knots, and imperfections that tell a story of the wood's journey. This approach creates a tactile experience that invites touch and interaction, allowing viewers to engage with the artwork on a sensory level. Imagine running your fingers over the rough bark of a sculpture that resembles a tree trunk, feeling the history embedded in each line and groove. This physical connection fosters a deeper appreciation for the material and the artistry involved in its transformation. Sustainability is another vital aspect of contemporary wood sculpture. Many artists prioritize the use of reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, making a statement about environmental responsibility while crafting their masterpieces. By choosing materials that have been salvaged or sourced ethically, these artists contribute to a more sustainable art practice and inspire collectors to consider the environmental impact of their choices. This focus on sustainability resonates with a growing audience that values eco-conscious living, reinforcing the idea that art can be both beautiful and responsible. The integration of greenery with wood sculptures can further enhance the natural aesthetic of a space. Consider a wooden sculpture that incorporates planters for succulents or herbs, creating a living piece that changes and grows over time. This blending of sculpture and plant life not only adds depth to the artwork, but also promotes a sense of vitality and connection to the earth. The interplay between the organic shapes of the sculpture and the delicate forms of the plants can create captivating visual dynamic, inviting viewers to appreciate the beauty of both art and nature. Cultural influences also play a significant role in the world of wood sculpture. Many cultures have rich traditions of wood carving that reflect their views on nature and spirituality. Incorporating sculptures that draw from these traditions can infuse a space with deeper meaning and context, offering a glimpse into the values and beliefs of different communities. For example, a totem pole may tell the stories of ancestors and nature, connecting the viewer to a larger narrative that spans generations. These pieces not only serve as art, but also as cultural artifacts that honor the relationship between humanity and the natural world. Lighting can dramatically affect the perception of wood sculptures. The way light interacts with the natural grain and texture of the wood can create stunning visual effects, casting shadows that change throughout the day. A sculpture placed near a window may take on a different character as the sunlight shifts, revealing hidden details and inviting contemplation. Incorporating lighting elements into a sculpture can enhance this effect, turning a simple piece into a dynamic work of art that transforms with its environment. Seasonal themes can also be explored through wood sculpture, allowing for a dynamic display that changes throughout the year. A collection of pieces representing the 4 seasons can be rotated, bringing the essence of each season into the home. Spring blossoms, summer foliage, autumn leaves, and winter landscapes can each find their place within the decor, creating a living tableau that reflects the cyclical nature of life. This practice not only keeps the space feeling fresh, but also serves as a reminder of the beauty and diversity of the natural world. For those seeking a truly unique piece, commissioning a wood sculpture can result in a masterpiece that reflects personal stories and experiences. Collaborating with an artist to design a custom sculpture allows for a deeper connection to the artwork, as it embodies individual values and memories. Perhaps a family crest could be carved into the wood, or a beloved pet could be immortalized in a lifelike representation. Such personalized sculptures become cherished heirlooms, telling stories that resonate through generations. As we consider the role of wood sculpture in our homes, it becomes clear that these masterpieces do more than decorate our spaces. They serve as vessels of connection to the natural world. Each piece invites us to reflect on our relationship with nature, reminding us of the beauty that surrounds us and the importance of preserving it. In a world that often feels disconnected from the earth, wood sculptures offer a tangible link to our roots, allowing us to bring the tranquility and wonder of the outdoors into our daily lives. Ultimately, the integration of wood sculpture into our living spaces fosters a sense of harmony and balance. It encourages us to slow down, appreciate the craftsmanship, and reflect on the beauty of nature. Whether through abstract forms that evoke the essence of landscapes, functional pieces that serve both art and utility, or personalized sculptures that tell our stories, wood masterpieces enrich our environments and nourish our souls. In embracing these works of art, we not only beautify our homes, but also cultivate a deeper appreciation for the natural world that inspires them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.